Or something like that. Remember when... Hi everybody, it's me. Sunday afternoon, this is Joker reporting for Gotham Central News. Everybody is gathered today at the steps on the... well, I don't know what they're doing, and they don't know what they're doing. And, just take a look at this action. Adriano is deep into the character, into the building of characters on the steps at the ledge. Now, Peter Jackson for Lord of the Rings and all that, yeah, you know what, he did an okay job. But look, Adriano's not working with a script, everybody. This isn't planned out. He's just shooting from the hip. He's like John Wayne, going in there and cleaning out all them varmints. And he's taking these terrible costumers, people that nobody wants to hang around with, not like me, and he's trying to make something out of them here at the ledge. And what a guy, what a human. Adriano. He could be the next mayor of Winnipeg. For Gotham City News, this is Joker reporting.